Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to unfriend all of your Facebook friends at once in a very easy step. To do this, first of all, open your Facebook application. Once you are on your Facebook application, log into it and then click on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down and then select setting and privacy and then go through settings. On the searching bar on the top right corner, click on that icon and then search for activity log. Click on activity log and then if you scroll down, then you will see connection. Hit on that and go through friends. From there you will see your friends. Click on your friends option. From there you can see all of your friends, and if you click on the three dots, then there you will see unfriend button. Click on that. In this way you can unfriend all of your Facebook friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.